In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude for Sales with HubSpot. To get started, open Claude in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside the platform, the first thing you'll want to do is connect HubSpot so Claude can access your sales data. To do that, click your profile icon, then go into Settings and open the Connectors section. From there, choose HubSpot and click Connect. You'll be prompted to sign in to HubSpot and approve the requested permissions. Make sure you review those permissions carefully so you understand what Claude will be able to access. After your HubSpot account is connected, start a new chat in Claude. In the chat window, click Search and Tools, then enable the HubSpot connector for that conversation. This is important because even if your account is connected globally, the connector usually needs to be turned on for the specific chat where you want to use it. Now you're ready to start asking questions about your sales data using plain English. For example, you can ask Claude to show your open deals closing this month, list your highest value opportunities, summarize deals that haven't been updated in 14 days, or identify which leads you should prioritize today. The nice thing here is that you don't need to build reports manually if you just want quick answers or a fast summary. You can also use Claude to analyze your pipeline in a more strategic way. Ask it to identify stalled deals, compare win and loss trends, highlight opportunities that may be at risk, or create charts and summaries based on your CRM data. This can save time when you're reviewing performance or preparing for a sales meeting. If your HubSpot connector includes write access, Claude may also help you make updates directly in your CRM. That can include creating new contacts or deals, updating deal stages, adding notes, creating follow-up tasks, and logging sales activities. In many cases, Claude will ask for confirmation before making changes, especially if approval mode is enabled. That extra review step is useful because it helps prevent accidental edits. Another helpful use case is content generation. You can ask Claude to draft sales emails, follow-up messages, meeting summaries, call notes, or even outreach plans for customers. Just remember to review anything it writes before sending it out, so the tone, details, and messaging match your goals. Finally, take a moment to review your results in HubSpot. Verify any updates that were made and keep the conversation going with follow-up questions if you want deeper reports, clearer performance insights, or help planning your next sales actions. That's how to use Claude for Sales with HubSpot.